Hello, friends. I will be speaking to you today about online learning and its key benefits.
Hello, everybody. I will be supporting the time tested methods of regular schooling and why virtual learning can never come close to its impact.
Well, I think online education is a far better option than traditional education because you don't have to be in a fixed place at a fixed time in order to study.
Classroom teaching needs the discipline of a set place and time for study. It offers far more than a virtual world. I strongly believe the teacher student interaction is what makes all the difference. It is this connection that triggers actual learning and growth. And speaking about interactions, what about lab classes? Can you study the science without hands on laboratory training?
Oh, alternatives can be found for that. Online education has far too many advantages to be dismissed. Think of the flexibility it allows. Think of those who work or can't attend regular school. Won't they be benefited by an online medium of study? I'm convinced it's definitely more convenient and economical as well.
It may be a more practical option, but we still can't do away with the teacher, especially in the younger years of schooling. In fact, I strongly believe the school teacher's influence can never be replicated by a cold electronic medium. Who will feel the pulse of students' emotion and reactions? Who will respond to their doubts and problems? Who will motivate and inspire them to reach higher and farther?
Online tutors can coach and clear doubts at the pace the students set for themselves. They can even counsel and guide whenever required. Let us look at other issues. For instance, the problem of space. Traditional schools limit the number of student admissions due to non availability of seats. They say you also have to live within a certain area for admission into a particular school. The virtual classroom does nothing of that kind. Anyone who has a genuine passion for learning can apply. Students can explore any subject without the discomfort of cramped classrooms or fear of ridicule of peer pressure of any kind.
That is precisely my point. The classroom trains students to deal with challenging situations all the time. School will teach you how to take risks and assert yourself today in the classroom. So you are equipped to face the real world tomorrow. It may be easier to receive an education sitting behind a screen, but of what use is it if it deprives students of important life skills?
E learning encourages independent thinking, and that's very important for life. But in an actual classroom, I feel it is the teacher's point of view that overshadows everything else.
Well, all I can say is there are advantages and disadvantages to every type of learning environment. Technology might determine the future of how education is delivered, but we must always think of student needs and what will equip him or her best in their journey through life.